Okay, in this tutorial we're going to look at how we can convert PDFs to iBooks so that students can highlight their notes. And we're going to be using the iBook Convert app that you see there. Now, one of the first things that you need to do is that you'll need to go into the App Store and you'll need to just find out where this iBook Converter app is. So as you load the App Store, just go in and search for it. And we'll type in iBook Converter. Press search. And up comes a variety. So we're going to use this one called the iBook Converter. So when I press on it, I can buy it, and then as soon as I've downloaded it, I can then press open. And I can do one or two things. I can either paste the URL of a PDF or document that I want to convert, or I can open up another app. But we're going to go and locate the PDF that we want to find on the Learning Network. So in order to do that, all I do, here I've got Safari, and I navigated through to the Learning Network. Here it is. And here's the Griffin article that we use for our Year 1s. Press on it, and up comes Safari. And you'll see in the top right hand corner, when I press on the screen, I've got two options. One to open in iBooks, and the other one will be to open in another app. And we're going to do that because I can open it in the ebook creator, and it knows that I want to convert that PDF into a new format. So when I look at this, I can either convert it into an iBook format or a Kindle format or a variety of different formats that are there that you can see. It works for documents into PDFs, but we're going to convert it into an iBook format. And all I do is press go. It will ask me for a title and it will ask me for an author. So let's go ahead and put title, Griffin, 2008. Critical incidents. And the author, Griffin, 2008. Don't worry, you can change some of this detail later. As soon as you finish, all you do is you click convert and away it goes. It will upload it and then it will convert. Obviously, the longer the document is, the longer the conversion rate will take. But this is quite short, so it should be okay. And here we go. It's converted our document so that we can open it, and we're going to choose to open it with. So I can email it to myself just by pressing the Mail app and entering the email address in. It then becomes a folder that I can then download to my documents and re-upload to either Canvas or to the Learning Network. But we're going to open it. If we opened it in iBooks, we see what it's like, and here it is. So it just goes into my PDFs, and here's my iBook. Here's that article that we just converted. And I can do all the things that I can do in iBook. So I can change the background so it's easy to read. I can change the font. I can flick through the pages and I can read the article in exactly the same way. So we could use this actually for students to collect notes, so they can highlight different parts of it which they can't quite do with a PDF, and they can make notes. So you might ask your students to look at sections and to bring up arguments from this, or where they think the level 6ness or level 5 or level 7ness is. You can also ask them to highlight just parts of it. And in the top left hand corner where you see those three little lines next to the library, that just shows you the chapters, it shows you the bookmarks, and it shows you the notes. So if they go to notes, they can see all the notes and the highlights that they've made all on that page. And then they can share and edit the notes. And there we go.